Hey guys, today, welcome to Lewis Gaming. Today we're gonna make a TNT cannon. Basically, I think this is all you need. To be honest, wait. You need this and that and that and this. Just probably need water as well. Shut the fuck up! I don't care about Windows notifications. Right, I'll make two hole. Put this here. Fence. How do you do it? Put fence here. You put the fucking. I just got rid of the water. Oh no. You put the thing. Is that how he did it? Yeah. And then he put another fence here, and then he's like, I'm a Seth Bling, and Lewis the Lobster's gonna steal my TNT cannon. Right, basically what you want to do, you want to put a TNT or these fucking things. Then you can just. Oh, it's gonna blow up the thing, isn't it? What? Okay. The fuck is going on? We're gonna try that again. I didn't realize you can put. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is how you make a TNT cannon. Right, what you want to do is you want to not let the fucking water source get out of the I forgot that Seth Bling made his video 7 years ago. Alright, now you can do it! Hooray! Is it gonna work? No. Right, this concludes my TNT cannon tutorial.